I'm making fluffy, soft donuts, following the recipe on YouTube. How clean is that? Nope. It does feel soft. I'm making donuts. I'm back. I'm making donuts again, but this time I'm following a recipe from YouTube. This one is proper cause 40 grams of sugar. That's a lot of sugar actually. 40 grams. 6 grams of instant dry yeast. 6 grams. 2 eggs. 400 grams of bread flour. This is what I got. Bread and pizza. Plain flour. Strong, high in protein. Actually, I'm gonna make 800 grams so I can feed enough people. No. Everyone's on diet. Everyone's on diet. I'm gonna put this back in. Just remembered. Woo. This used to be a treat growing up in Orange Bay. This thing never lasts. Whenever we get it, less than a week gone. Bit of ASMR, eh? That's 24 grams. I'm using a mixer today to mix everything up. Ain't not doing these ones, bro. Ain't doing that one, bro. 30 grams of butter. Boom. 40 grams. So we need milk, full cream. We need sugar. We need dry yeast. We need powder milk. We need butter. We need eggs. And of course, the main thing, flour. So this is important. Distribute it evenly. Refine it. We used to do this with tapioca starch. We used to make that shit. What do we call it in Māori? Pia. Proper, cuz. That goes in there. Whoop. That goes in there.
If you don't have milk.
That's too hot. This is our best friend for this event. Pour the mixture in. We're going on. Check it out. Ooh, we're not there yet. So this needs to stretch thin and not break. Good boy. Good job, buddy. Keep going, buddy. It's our dough. You know, it's cheaper to just go buy donuts than to do this, but this is a fun project. Aggressive and then gentle. Aggressive and then gentle. Gentle. Boom. Chuck it in there. Foldy. That's good. What's your wish? There it is. 6. Jack. Ace. Spot on. Circular motion. Heads or tail? Heads. 33. Gonna be here all night. It's worth it. 41. Seems like the number. It's supposed to be 40. It seems like 41 is the number. I'm making Dragon Balls. 39 is not acceptable. 41 is. Add a bit of flour on your palm so the thing moves smoothly. Oh, it's too much. 33 keeps coming up. You know what that is? Knowledge. Wisdom. 33-degree Mason.
Mom.
Yep. Yeah, what's it? Gotta get it over it. 541. Close that one. Let that one proof. Let it go to sleep. You gotta slap it around so it wakes up. 33-degree Mason again. 41. So we'll wait 1 to 1.5 hours. Yo, it's ready. Supper. I'm making donuts. Yeah. About time. Cook the donuts. 5-hour process. 4.5 hours. Damn. That's what I said. It's a lot cheaper to just buy it from the shop than to make it yourself. But this is a fun project. It's going in. Yeah. I don't know. Yo, this one's already good, man. It's gonna be fluffy. So you cook a hole. Rings. Hey, it's looking pretty good. Yep. That one passed the test, kind of. Still left the white line there. Yo, how clean is that? Professional. 5 hours for these, bro. These are expensive donuts, you know. One donut is $5. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. Let's calculate. 5 times 19. Nah. That's not worth it. Nah. $20 for these donuts. 20 times 19. 5 hours, yeah, oh, nah. $25 each. For it to be worth my time, $25 for one donut. So $25 times 19, make $4.75. Yeah, that's not bad. Wow, it does feel soft. Open it. Yep, consistency. Ooh, it's not that soft actually, but it's softer than the one I made with mum. You can taste it. Nope. It's not sweet at all, but it's good. Kind of like fried bread. So there you go, guys. My attempt at making fluffy donuts.